Hey, what up, YouTube? How everybody doing today on this lovely Saturday? Well, our Saturday been a rainy day on and off, but I guess it's about to end or dry up. But I done already started eating my food, but I just wanted to show y'all. I went to this Mexican place out here in Norfolk, Virginia on Chesapeake Boulevard. Oh my God, I already ate one of these. Oh my God, you talking about good, good. Look, I'm like, this so good. I'm like, I got to load this up. Got to load it up. They got this little sauce. Look, let me show you. I don't know what this sauce is called, but it's very spicy. It's very spicy, but it's also good. Not by itself, but on the on the burrito itself, it is very, very good. Then they give you the little lime. You squeeze all the little juice up there, get it all up there. I'm talking about, I'm talking about good, y'all. Just, oh my God, I can't even get it. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Just look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that there. Let's, Oh my God. And yeah, y'all, I'm in my room eating. I ain't feel like sitting in the kitchen. Kids done left me. You know? I'm in here looking at Rocky. Yeah. That's right. Who remember Mr. T back in the days? Who remember Mr. T back in the days? Used to wear all them necklaces around his neck. Y'all, this food is good. But I'm gonna tell you something. It gets you full fast. Cause I'm only done ate one. This the second. I'm about full. I ain't gonna front. I'm not gonna front. I don't know how people be eating 3, 4, and 5 of these things. But how everybody been out there doing? I've been doing all right. Trying to survive and stay out the limelight. You know? Sometimes it's best to stay low key. Sometimes it's best to chill by yourself. I used to hang with a lot of people all the time. I done cut all that off. You can call me lonely girl now, because I only rock with my kids half of the time. My mama and my siblings. The older I get, the more I learn. You don't need a lot of people hanging with you. Everybody that hang with you don't have good intentions. You have some people who hang with you and really dislike you. That's down to Kim folks too. Don't think everybody that's a cousin or an aunt or an uncle or whatever rock with you like that. See me? I started learning people ways, people body language. See, I was a picture girl. Love taking pictures, love posting them up. But I started noticing people that was taking pictures with me, they wasn't posting their pictures up. The pictures of me up on whatever they post up on. Or if we all go to a club together, we all in pictures together. But if I go to somebody's house, The pictures I'm in, they not up. But the other pictures that they took with everybody else up, look out for stuff like that. They showing you if they really rock with you or not. Telling you. Look for the signs, people. Everybody not your friend. That because it say blood, baby, that don't mean they rock with you, baby. Gotta be careful out here in these streets these days in town. People smile right in your face. And the whole time they stabbing you all in your back. See, me, when I start seeing food stuff, and my gut instinct and my conscience keep telling me, see, I used to ignore stuff like that. I'm gonna tell y'all, never ignore that gut instinct that keep kicking in and kicking in. It's kicking in for a reason. Pay attention to it. Pay attention to it. Might save you from a lot of heartache and pain, baby. It's time best to make moves, dolo, baby. You know? Watch your surroundings. Don't invite everybody to your house. You just start hanging with a person and you already been feeling some vibes, some not right vibes or Grammy vibes. There's no need to invite that person to your house. For what? For what? It's no need. If you already feeling them vibes, baby, something ain't right. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good, baby. Good. Them vibes, something terrible, I'm trying to tell you. They be kicking in for a reason. For a reason. Gotta get all that rice and beans. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, this is so good. Oh man, let me tell y'all. It's been this young lady missing out here in Norfolk, Virginia. I want to say for about 2 weeks. Asia Caldwell. I think I'm pronouncing her last name right. But they recently just found the young baby, man. And they found her dead. And that's so sad. So many kids dying, man. I mean, killing the babies left and right. I mean, y'all took her from Norfolk and they found her body out there in Newport News. So I just want to send my condolences. Although they parents or kinfolks might never see this, you know, but I still just want to send my condolences out to the family. This a treacherous world we living in these days. Sometimes it's best to leave that outside world alone, especially if you done experienced enough of it and it's not going right for you. Baby, give your life to God. Give it to God. They're going to be the only one that got our back. The only one that's not going to stab you in the back. The only one that's going to love you and their love will never end. And it took me a long time to learn that. I look at, sometimes I just sit back and and just think about my past, and then stuff will click in my head, or I see little things that done happened that are flashback, and I be like, girl, them people won't never your friend. Was never your friend. And back then, you don't pay stuff like that no mind, because you want to be hanging with the crew. Although the crew ain't the right crew for you, but you want to hang. Like, I teach my daughter right now to this day, to the fullest. Baby, you don't need friends. And your friends you have now, them 3 little friends you been hanging with, from day one, you ain't nothing but 13. You don't need to bring no more come-alongs. It's all right to have associates, but don't dwell on that friend like a friend like I need you. You know what I'm saying? I always tell them, got a friend right here as long as mama breathing. And Lord Jehovah God wake me up every morning. You have a friend, baby. Always. You know? Like a lot of people. Jackie, where your boyfriend at? I don't have no boyfriend. I ain't had a boyfriend in years. I just tried to date somebody a couple of months ago, but that didn't work, and I should have stayed where I was at, celibate for 3 years, you know? These guys got game. But you know what? I sent that on his way real quick, cuz. Let me tell y'all ladies something. Once you start loving yourself, can't no man come between you and your love for yourself. Unless you weak like that. Once I start loving myself, oh my gracious, won't nothing like it. You know what I'm saying? And it feel good getting up every morning. Not crying over a man. Or not getting up in the morning, texting and blowing the phone up. Like, where you at? Why you ain't come home last night? What's the problem? You cheating on me. Girl, stop playing. You know that man staying out 3 to 4 nights in a row. You know he cheating. You know he cheating. And a lot of chicks like to yell, they the main. Yeah, you might be the main when he right there in your presence, boo. But once he gone and round that next chick for the 2 to 3, 4 days, you the side chick. It's no such thing as main. I used to say that, but if you the girlfriend, ain't no such thing as main no more. I'm sorry. That man ain't gave you that title or putting that ring on your finger and giving you that last name. Baby, we all just run throughs. And it ain't no other way to put it. Boom. Hey, girlie. No other way to put it at all. You eat your tacos? That's the daughter right there.
Don't record me.
Girl, boo. Girl, boo.
What is this?
Girl, get out my food. You done ate yours, then you get tacos from Taco Bell. You gotta leave my little stuff alone.
You should have got me like 6 or 5 tacos.
Although I'm full. Cause this stuff, but no, cause I'ma eat it. I'ma save my little shrimp junk for later, girl. Get out of here. I'm having a conversation with me and whoever gonna listen or look at my page. But no, on a for real, real serious level, man. Female, start loving yourself. I bet once you start loving yourself and finding your worth, you would laugh at a man when they think they putting you down or saying you don't know what you're missing. Yeah? Well, I guess I'll never find out. You know? Look at that. But yeah, ladies. Let's start showing black women loving themselves instead of black women putting so much love, or any woman period. Bump the collar, any woman period. Don't invest so much in a man, especially a man that's not investing in you. You know, bump down the PlayStations to put in the house to keep them in the house. Uh, that's the only time they probably in there, and they paying the PlayStation more attention than you. You know, it's just something to think about. Something I just wanted to put out there. I got my little belly full. Probably about to go get me a gnome. I had to go buy me some more drink, because let me show y'all what I was drinking on. And that's gone. See that right there? They Christian Brothers, that apple boy cut from a different fabric, boy. I'm talking about this some good here. You know? No, try it out. Some good stuff. Some real good stuff. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get up off this. I pray everybody have a lovely and safe Saturday. And with Jehovah God's will, everybody be able to wake up bright and early Sunday morning. You know, get yourself together for your morning Sunday's lessons. Well, since the Kingdom Hall is closed, we ain't been going to the Kingdom Hall, but they've been doing Zoom. And no, I'm not a Jehovah Witness, but yes, I am studying. My mother is a Jehovah Witness, and she's been a witness for years, during all my life. So when I started going through it, I went to her and picked up the Bible, man, because sometimes you got to get the faith back in you, baby. You got to bring that true God back into you. That's the only way we going to survive. So everybody just keep that in mind. And J Love is out of here. And look, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like. Peace out.